I am going to do something today that I have never, ever done before in my entire life. I'm going to purchase something live while you're watching me, and I'm going to show you the members area for this new product called Mail Our List. It's super cool. I'm excited about it. I'm buying myself a copy live on this video. You're going to watch me do it. It's all coming up in my review of Mail Our List. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, maybe by Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Feel free to skip ahead. My jokes, yeah, they're bad. There's just there's no two ways about it. Okay, my jokes are stale. You know, as stale as the kibble that I give my cats that they complain about. But, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products, and they make money online niche. And why I do this thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, really, Bart? Really? Okay, seriously? Yeah? Okay, it's enough. Seriously. Anyhow, if you are, he does that all the time. It's really annoying, you know, seriously. So annoying. But anyway, but if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I reviews, I already said that, sorry. I'm having an interesting day to say the least. But anyhow, but seriously, if you if you are new, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I do love Liz. She's a sweetheart. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking, one second. Okay, we are looking right now at the sales page for Mail Our List. You can see I'm actually, this is not me like, you know, looking, I mean, I've already seen the product. I did get review access to it. I'm actually purchasing because I want to actually use this product. The review access just lets me see what's in there. It doesn't let me actually use it. I'm actually buying it right now live as you watch. So you can see I'm going to click right here to purchase this thing. All right. And I'll put it on my American Express card because I get some points from that. I mean, I could pay with my wallet, my Warrior Plus wallet, but I'm going to get some points. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and buy this right now as you are watching me. All right. Yes, I really am purchasing it live on this video, something I've never done before because I really do believe in this. And then after I finish purchasing this, I'm also going to purchase the first upsell. And then I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you, tell you about all my custom bonuses. Let me stop Dadwood from speaking here. I do want to get this one. Okay, this is the downsell of the first upgrade. And I'll explain to you in a moment exactly why I am doing this, why I'm so excited about this. Okay, I've gone ahead and purchased what I wanted to purchase now. Obviously, there are additional upsells. I don't need them, and I'll explain to you what Mail Our List is right now. So basically, and let me go ahead, actually, I'm going to go and log in to my personal account so you can actually see, whoops, that's not what I wanted. That's eBay. You can tell this is a live video. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the members area here real quick, access your purchase. All right, I actually already have an account here, so that's fine. I just want to show you the members area just in case you're curious to see it, because I did get access earlier, so I know what it's about. but I want to talk to you about my custom bonus because I, as always, will have the best custom bonus. But first, let me explain to you a little bit what this is so that you understand why my custom bonus is so relevant here. Basically, mail out list is a solo ad. For your $9.95, you get to send a solo ad to over 30,000 people that Dawood has together with his partner. I forget what his partner's name is. Terry Hill, the two of them together have over 30,000 people on their membership list. You get to send a solo ad to them, to their 30,000 members. Okay. If you pick up the first upgrade, you can pick up the downsell, that's fine. If for $27, pick up the downsell. You're going to get a total of 6 solo ads. I recommend picking up at least the downsell because one email, probably not going to do it. 6 of them, you're probably going to get some decent results from, though. That's my personal experience doing ads like this. You don't want to do just one. One is not going to be worth much to you. I mean, it'll get you something, obviously, but get 6 of them, you're going to do a lot better. Now, so basically, that's mail out list. It's going to be that you get to send out a solo ad to their email lists of like, I think it's about 33,000 people on their lists. So obviously, to me, this is worth my while to do because I know I'm going to collect a whole bunch of fresh leads off of this solo ad. So I just spent my money. You saw it live as I was doing it, but I want you to get a much better deal than I got because when I got it, I'm not getting any bonuses. You're going to get bonuses from me. So the first bonus that I'm going to be giving you is that if you pick up Mail Our List, I'm going to give you a free copy, a lifetime copy. This is not something that's available anymore, of Conversion Champ. Now, Conversion Champ is my own software. What it does is it pops up those little things that say so-and-so just bought such and such, or it pops up reviews and things like that. It's really cool software. Spent a fortune to have it developed, and I'm going to give you a free lifetime access to Conversion Champ. If you already have it, you get the first upgrade. If you already have that, you get the second upgrade. If you already have that, then I've got a very special offer for you. I'm going to give you a free copy of my brand new software called Storyist. It's not even out yet. It's coming out September 17th. I'm very excited about it. It is ready, and we're just now recruiting affiliates for it. And I'm going to give you a completely free copy of Storyist if you've already got both of the upgrades of Conversion Champ. Obviously, if you have, that's only if you have both upgrades of Conversion Champ already. We will check it against our membership roles to see whether or not that's the case. Otherwise, you do get that. Pick up any upgrade, and I'm going to do something really interesting. I'm going to give you a set of 100 ready-made emails that you can actually use for your solo ad. Now, why is that important? Well, because they recommend that you write your own emails. Obviously, I know some of you are not very good at that. So I'm going to give you, if you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to give you my set of 100 ready-made swipes that I personally have used that have made me a ton of money. All right, pick up any 2 upgrades. I'm going to do something really insane for you. I'm going to write your email for you. Okay, I make a lot of money from my business, from writing emails. That is what I do for a living. And pick up any 2 upgrades, and I'm going to write your email for you. Pick up the entire funnel. Okay, the entire funnel of Mail Our Lists. I'm going to write for you a 30-day custom-made sequence of emails. All right, that's not 1, not 2, not 3, 30 full days of emails. Okay, pick up the entire funnel of Mail Our Lists, and you get a 30-day sequence of emails written by me. You can let me know if you want them on a specific topic or if you just want general, whatever. I'm going to custom write them for you. So again, pick up, just mail out this for the $9.95. I'm going to give you Conversion Champ or any of the upgrades if you already have the basic Conversion Champ. Okay, pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you my 100 email swipes that are custom written by me that I know work because I've used them myself. Pick up any 2 upgrades, I'm going to write a custom email for you. And if you pick up the entire funnel, you get 30 full days. That's 30 emails worth of custom written emails just for you that I'm going to personally write for you. I'm going to give you 30 days worth of emails that you can go ahead and put them into your autoresponder, and you'll have 30 days of professionally written emails available to you if you pick up the full the full funnel of mail hour lists. And again, you saw I personally bought this right live while you were watching. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to give it to my product creator or not, although that's kind of obvious now, isn't it? Yeah, seriously.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, like, okay, that was obvious, right? I mean, look, I obviously I believe in this because I just bought it for myself live on this video because I believe so strongly in this. I think this thing is worth picking up. It's great. Grab this one. This one you're gonna love.